together. Put our hands together. We are one. Can't divide us.
Okay, let me take out my glasses. Yes, okay, cool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video you will have gotten a gist of who I am, what I'm about, what this channel is about, and that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome to another video. I am so excited to be making this video. This is the first video of 2023. What's the plan? What's the plan for 2023? I've always been the type of girl that believes in vision boards, planning, goal setting, all that stuff. And I usually do that towards the end of December. I start to think about, what have I achieved? What have I done? What do I want to do? Where do I want to see? Where do I see myself in the next year? What can I improve? All those things. And then in January I come up with like a plan as to, okay, this is exactly what I want to do, and I get started on that and I hit the ground running, and that's just pretty much how it goes. But with this year, it started off really weird because I'm at a point where I don't want to say I'm afraid of making goals or coming up with a plan. Like, I have things, yes, that I want to do this year and things that I would like to see happen this year, but for whatever reason I just feel the need to wait in the sense of take my time, don't rush into things. I feel it in my heart to just let things flow as they should and go at my own pace. A lot of us I think we get lost in wanting to do things so quickly and wanting to get things done so quickly that sometimes we realize whether we missed the mark somewhere because we rushed through something and we rushed through that idea, all in the name of, I'm going to just get started. I need to get started. I have this fire in me. I need to, do. I need to do and do and do and do and do. But I think for me, I just want to take it easy. I want to take it easy with myself. I want to take it easy with my goals. Also for the sake of my mental health. I don't want to rush into things, put pressure on myself, unnecessary pressure. I don't want to be that girl that is on some, what are people gonna say, my age mates are doing this, so I should have this together. But I've come to realize that, I need to stop being hard on myself. I need to stop putting unnecessary pressure on myself, and that's what 2023 is going to be all about. For those that follow me on social media, I have hashtags for the year. I started this, I think, 2019, 2020. Yeah. And my first hashtag was do it afraid. And that was me pushing myself to stop doubting myself and believe that whatever I want to achieve is achievable and I can do it. That I should just do whatever it is afraid. I shouldn't let fear stand in my way. My next one was True You. There was another one. Why am I forgetting it? I'll remember it. If I remember it, I'll write it down somewhere here or wherever on the screen. And then last year, 2022, was True You. Now, True You was inspired by a video that I had come across that Devon Franklin had made about 2022 being 2020 True You, 2020 True. And I was like, yeah, that's going to be my theme for the year. And it initially was supposed to be about me living my life authentically and not even thinking too much about what people think about me, all that stuff. But 2022, it showed me a different side of true you. I was confronted with certain things about myself that I realized that I needed to address, that I will be addressing in 2023. Certain traits. I was true to myself. Well, at least I tried in most cases to be true to myself and true to my feelings, true to my emotions. Allow myself to be honest with myself in terms of this whole, there's this thing called false positivity or toxic positivity, where you're always looking for that, light at the end of the tunnel, that silver lining in bad situations, and you're always just like, no, it's gonna work out. No, you just don't want to dwell on the negative, which is good. But sometimes you need to look at the negative. You need to actually embrace it and address it, unpack it, for you to be able to get over it. So 2022 did a lot of that for me. I discovered a lot of things about myself, about people, about the things that I want, about who I want to be, what I want to do. And then the theme for this year, it was revealed to me this last year, and it came to me: bold moves. Move boldly. Like, those are the two words that came to mind. Bold moves. Move boldly. And that's basically what the theme for my year is. I don't know what it means. I guess it's just another push yourself, be out there, go out there and do. Scare yourself because I know that I'm definitely going to be terrified at some point. But it's about moving boldly, living boldly, and whatever that looks like. I don't know what it looks like, I don't know, but that's pretty much where I'm at. So what's the plan for 2023? I guess you can say to live boldly. And I don't know what that looks like. So to end the video, because I don't want it to be too long, I just want to encourage somebody right now who might be feeling the way I'm feeling like I don't have a plan. I need to have a plan. Everybody has a plan. It's okay. It's okay to not have a plan just yet. You still have time. Be patient with yourself. Pace yourself. You're not in a race with anyone but yourself. Do what you can with what you can. And just most importantly, take care of yourself. Your mental health is very important. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. Our journeys in life are not the same. And we're not going to achieve things the same way at the same time. We are different people, and that's just how it is. So, with that said, I hope that 2023 is going to be a special year for you. I hope that the lessons that come with it are lessons that you will embrace. The changes are changes that you will step into and again embrace. And it's going to make sense. It will make sense. But stay in your lane, at your pace, move at your own pace. It'll work out. Things will work out. They have to. It's going to be the end of the video for today. I hope that you enjoyed it, that you got something from it. If you did enjoy it, please click that like button to let me know. Share this video with somebody that you know, your friend, your cousin, your sister, your brother, your aunt, your uncle, your mother, your father, your grandmother, your everybody that you know, your colleagues, all of that. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already and join this amazing family. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know if you are on the same journey that I'm on, or if we're not, feel already know what, I have this all planned out. I have a plan. I know exactly what I want to do. Yeah, if you feel comfortable to share, please do share. Let's just engage in the comment section. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video or vlog. I don't know.